Hello everyone. Today we are going to do something that has not been done for CLAT aspirants for a long time, which is to solve your problem on how to prepare notes for the new pattern. A lot of students, when they are studying general knowledge or with regards to current affairs, when they are reading the newspaper, they do not know how to prepare the best possible methodology for notes. So today at Law Prep tutorial, we are going to do exactly that. We are going to explain to you two methods on how you can prepare notes for current affairs. As each student is different, the two methods are something that you can adjust as per your needs. So with regards to current affairs, the new problem that also emerges is a lot of information now you get online, that there is no face-to-face classes happening, and that is why on Law Prep tutorial today I am going to explain you how to do it. So the first method, the first step that you have to do for preparation is to chapterize and segregate. So your notebooks, your e-paper documents should be divided into different headings. These headings should be the one that from where you can put in different information into different heads. The first, so for example, you can make headings such as awards, person in news, place in news, national events, international crisis. So each notebook paper or a folder should be there for these headings so that you know what information is going to fit into where. And then when you are revising, you can open just that particular folder or that particular page for note making. So the first, if you have notebooks, what you can do is you can use post-its. Post-it on the right hand side of that page that this section is for awards, this section is for person in news, and leave a handsome amount of pages, काफ़ी ज़्यादा pages for the specific area जहाँ पे आप information डालोगे. ठीक है? Next, the first method is the vertical method. So for example, if you have e-paper, so e-paper mein then you can download that particular article. First, you can highlight the different topics that you have. And if you have been following Law Prep tutorial, their current news analysis video, then this half of your work is already done because they will help you segregate important newspaper articles. Then the next thing that you have to do after you have done, for example, highlighting, the heading you can put, subheadings may say, for example, you can use, this is economic news, which is stimulus package for urban and rural India. So then you can put the heading of the topic at the first, okay, and then the next thing that will come, which is what is it about. So what is the heading about? So the question is what. Then this is the next thing is what is the information that it is giving you. If there are facts, if it is giving you a specific date, if it is an award, then what is the information with regards to that you put in here, and then you put other information below that. If there is criticism or if there is another aspect of it, which is if it is telling you an event, so then the question is where. So this is depending on each student. Every student is free how they fill in this, okay? But the idea is that you vertically do it. Different headings, then you make, so these are subheadings, headings, subheadings, and there it will be specific bullet points of how you are getting that information. Awards or where, what, when, all that will come vertically. Highlight from the article different words and then you put it there. So even if let's say you are not exactly doing it from the e-paper, you can do it on your hardbound newspaper and then put it in your notebook. Moving on, the next method, okay, this is for continuous news. What happens? So this is known as mind mapping. Mind mapping mein you use a big page, put that heading, let's say GDP of India, okay, then different facts which flow specifically. What is GDP? Definition comes here because this is stable, okay. Mind map is to help you when you have information that will continuously grow, okay. So definition in a specific box, who gives the numbers, so who, that these information will remain constant always. And then continuous information, so 2020 and 21 में GDP का figure क्या था, that you will put in this box. Then another, if you want to continue, 22, 23, then here. So you will continue going. What is the information that GDP gave you? Did the GDP rise or fall? Okay, then that is how you will divide. Information that will not change or will has been become constant is something you can write at the bottom right. Information that is constant, so put it in your notebook that way. More boxes you can make, more and more boxes that are constant, so you can differentiate constant information, static GK in box, continuous information, round figures. So this is two methods that will help you make your notes. Okay, we suggest at Law Prep that you follow our channel for newspaper analysis so that your current affairs is always divided. Now it is on each student how they make information in what notes. A synthesis of both of them is going to help you do this. Okay, some news for vertical, some news for mind mapping. That is the best way to make notes. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it further for people who are struggling to make notes, and subscribe to Law Prep tutorial for more CLAT preparation ideas. Thank you.